Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the dataset and cleaning it immediately so analysis is reliable. Use data to load CSV or database files. This avoids copy-paste errors. Once loaded, open Power Query, promote headers, set data types, and trim spaces so numbers and dates behave correctly. Make sure to remove duplicate rows and split combined fields. Doing this first saves time later when you build calculations and pivot tables. Next, transform and shape the data into analysis-ready tables. Merge or append queries to combine sources, then pivot or unpivot to get a tidy layout. This makes aggregation straightforward. Load into the data model, define relationships between tables, and create DAX measures for sums, averages, and percent change so calculations update dynamically. Once done, validate measure results with a few manual checks to confirm logic before visualizing or sharing. Finally, create pivot tables and charts to answer your key questions. Choose slicers and timelines for interactive filtering so stakeholders explore data. Use conditional formatting to call out outliers and add trend lines or moving averages for context. Once visuals match your metrics, lock input ranges, document assumptions in a notes sheet, and save a version copy. If numbers look wrong, check source data types and refresh queries first. Most issues come from wrong types or stale query results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.